What if your home could feel like a warm hug from the past? Stay with me. We're about to turn everyday spaces into timeless treasures with vintage charm. Inspired by the gentle elegance of Grandma's home, this style brings peace, comfort, and beauty back into every room. It's not just a look, it's a feeling. Grandma's home wasn't trendy, it was timeless. From floral wallpapers to hand-stitched doilies, every piece had history. Think faded books stacked by the fireplace, teacups resting on wooden shelves, and the scent of fresh pie drifting from the kitchen. This is more than just decor, it's love made visible. Let's create that soft, soulful vibe, one cozy corner at a time. Dusty rose, muted sage, buttery cream, and gentle blues. These are the heart of a vintage home. Imagine colors that feel like old photo albums or handwritten letters tucked in a drawer. These shades don't shout. They whisper peace. Forget sleek and shiny. Go for worn and warm. Choose furniture that is soul. A chipped cabinet that's seen generations. A rocking chair with a gentle creak. A table that still holds the marks of family dinners long gone. Mix and match, layer and lace, and never underestimate the charm of something with a little rust or a few scratches. Let your decor speak from the heart. Frame old black and white photos, place Grandma's cookbook on a shelf, display vintage tins, crochet pieces, or embroidered linens. Every piece should feel like it belongs to a story you want to tell again and again. This isn't just styling, it's storytelling. H. The kitchen, the soul of the home. Hang up floral aprons. Stack teacups on wooden hooks, place cookies in glass jars, and set out a floral tablecloth that makes every meal feel like Sunday lunch. This is where the warmth of Grandma's hugs lives on. Airy lights, flickering candles, or antique lamps add that gentle glow that makes everything feel magical. Then, add nature. Fresh or dried flowers in old pitchers, trailing vines in ceramic pots, or even a simple bouquet from your garden. It's the final touch of softness every vintage home needs. Grandma's style isn't about perfection, it's about heart. It's in the mismatched cushions, the worn books, the floral curtains that sway gently in the breeze. Whether you're decorating a whole home or just one cozy nook, remember, the charm is in the comfort, the soul is in the story. So go ahead, bring that Grandma core magic home. And if you love this trip down memory lane, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite vintage memory in the comments below.